what we got for this evening's fan is a Gulf Coast Luna. This is a rather small Luna, as this has the optional 44-inch blade span. However, they were in really rough condition, and I have had to sand them and repaint them, but it's still a work in progress, so we'll update that when that time comes. The fan came to me mostly complete, just minus its actual handheld remote control. I still have the receiver, but I'm using an aftermarket one right now. This fan is also with the optional light kit, where you can get this without one if you want, which is just like a blank pan, but you know, I like the light. So, but yeah, usually these Lunas, if you ever see them, are 52-inch, but this is the first 44-inch one I've seen in person. The fan is made out of solid aluminum milled pieces, so there's no solid. That's all solid there. There's no pot metal on this fan. Even the canopy is cast. If you saw up there, the reverse switch is also on top of the motor. This fan dates from about 2019, so it's a couple years old now. But otherwise, it runs okay. Okay, I say as in the bearings are a little loud on it, because I'm pretty sure it was just ran on high for most of its life. But yeah, otherwise, let's get started. Here's the light. There's a 100-watt halogen tube style bulb in there. Raise it up a little bit. That's nice. We can go full brightness. I'll turn off this light here. And there we go. Turn it off, and we'll start with the fan on low. This is with a 4-speed remote. So, fan I'm pretty sure is powered with the Tiara motor, a 188 by 25, as it is very massive in there. It's a cool little fan though. Already up to a rather fast low speed. I'd call this medium low, to be honest. Slightly hear those bearings whirling, but there's no other concerning noise other than just whirl noise. Let's go to speed 2. Speed 2 considerably picks up speed. It's about like a medium high for normal fans. maybe a high speed if you have a pretty poor fan. But still a really good breeze. Go to medium high. Already that's doing really good. Slight wobble, probably from the hub being a little out of alignment, but I haven't changed any of that. Just the blades have been mounted, that's about it. But impressive performance so far. Alright, let's go to high speed. Absolutely takes off. Excellent performance. Something that's actually quite shocking from a Gulf Coast, but you know what? A well-built fan's a well-built fan, so there's that. And that really takes off on those 44-inch blades. Watch it coast. So yeah, these fans came from my workplace, and they were getting rid of them for get ready for this one for Honeywell fans. So yeah, I'm not letting this one go to waste. Glad to have a Luna. Can I get the shadow? I really want to get the shadow. There we go. The blades, however, are not straight. They do have a little contour towards the end. So that's not just an illusion, that's just how they are. But I'm still working on the blades there. And we'll update when more progress has been made. So with that, I want to say thank you all for watching, and have a great day.